I've been road testing a vehicle that's often described as the engine room of the British economy. It's the British small and medium-sized business, the SME. There are 5 million of these enterprises on the road, and they make up over 99% of UK companies. But are they heading for a car crash? YouGov has conducted a survey of SMEs, showing the financial impact of their failure to take care of their legal business. The results are eye-popping, indicating that SMEs are losing a whopping £13.6 billion a year from this failure.
On average, over £1.5 billion a year is lost in relation to each of the following areas: disputes, employees and contractors, customers and suppliers, and tax. Let's see what Boris Johnson thinks about that.
It's clear that SMEs are heading for a hard exit if they think this is the way to carry on. Yes, it's time for SMEs to get on their bike, or even my bike, and go and see a lawyer.
From the survey, just 1 in 5 SMEs have in-house legal expertise. The majority of SMEs reported spending less than £1,000 per year on lawyers. I wonder what Bear Grylls has to say on this subject.
It's a very dangerous world out there for SMEs, and they need to use every trick in the book to survive. The thought of going to a lawyer may leave a nastier taste in your mouth than drinking your own urine, but when it comes to survival, you gotta do what you gotta do.
However, paradoxically, SMEs do understand that using lawyers is likely to make them better off. Only 8% think that they are better off not using a lawyer. Anton Deck have some strong views on the subject.
The next time your business is so short of cash that you're eating fish eyes and kangaroo anus for your tea, think about how using a good lawyer could have saved your business money.
And you have to watch out for those nasty investors, bad customers and complaining consumers and other snakes and scorpions out in the SME jungle.
But using a good lawyer can keep you safe from bites, fights and sleepless nights. Don't end up as some critter's bush tucker in the SME jungle. Use a lawyer.
So, why are SMEs not prepared to spend money on lawyers? The likely cause is SMEs' attitudes towards law firms. Less than 10% say that legal fees are good value for money. We asked Lord Alan Sugar what he thinks of lawyers.
Now, call me old-fashioned, right, but I expect value for money from people. Right now, it's called business. Right now, listen, frankly, if you're a lawyer, don't come into my boardroom or one of us is getting fired.
The survey results indicate that SMEs are also able to say clearly what they do want from law firms. Over 90% value ease of communication, value for money, taking time to understand the issue, the speed of service provided, and understanding the SME's business sector. Luckily, these are all attributes of LawBite, taking SMEs from idea to ideal as they start, grow and succeed. Let's hear what David Attenborough has to say about that.
And here we see the virtue of the lesser spotted LawBite. While other law firms are becoming extinct, this nimble, agile little fellow is able to keep out of danger by moving with wonderful grace at extraordinary speed. In a world of legal dinosaurs, LawBite is the missing link between lawyers and humans.